So I don't tell them precisely. You know, the journey continue. And as me say, I'll keep going and going. Like that energized bunny, we go order for one. And we never want to order nothing funny. Tell them precisely great way the gateway. While the sunshine will make New York settings. I don't know. We just walk up and down like a lost in a fire. Great connections I make. Great link I make. And they're all about. I make sure say everything connect. So big respect to all fans all over the globe. You don't know. Give thanks for all the support what I've always been doing over the years. Respect to all you people who show me sincerely that you care. You get me? And as me say, we're up on the journey and we always document the journey, the path. You get me? Alright, let me show you what I go on over here. So. Okay, so what I go on here? Alright, that's I go on. But me I go on trad. So we're there at Times Square now, underneath the earth surface. Them say subway settings. Yeah, so big up to my kids. My age a journey. Okay, big up yourself just the same. Big up to the whole family tribe. You don't know. So Mr. Go look out and check the book out. I don't know it's available on Amazon. I wanna know now. So the book is called Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. So I want to go support another remarkable Jamaica. So I go on up here. Because I say I go step out yourself here a bit. And then I run back in because I want to know anything going on. Step outside because as I say with the down at the earth surface. So the book up on Amazon, check it out. I don't know. Yeah. So we outside. Tell them precisely. So we are going to walk a bit and talk a bit. I couldn't know more than a half a bit. Want to know the half a bit? Tell them precisely. So big respect, yeah, Mr. See you live. I just get a message say you're going live, so big up you. Big up to your life. When you see this, you know, say, I you me a deal with. Yeah, so as I was saying before, look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Tell them precisely. I must say the great and another remarkable Jamaican. Great amazement world. Tell them precisely. That is the official website. GreatAmazementWorld.com. Yeah man. And as me say, we are going to keep on doing greatness. Never stop. And we tell all of the youth them say stay focused and keep strong. Don't get confused in a Babylon. So I'm going to drop a poem or two before me sign out. For some, Life is like a game, so they play all day. For some, life is like a puzzle. They get lost along the way. As for me, my life is a journey. I could talk about that all day. I give thanks for life. I live to see another day. So I tell them precisely, big respect to all of the people who always want to see greatness and always want to see the youth them rise to prosperity and positive vibration. Alright then, so our next poem, I want my pitting them to know this, not just my kids, but for all children. This one is called For Our Children to Know. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there is no limit to what you can create. You will encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay away. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, man, I discuss and I mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate. Core of my mind, I smile, I embrace. Greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face, man, a lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for position. Rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics and religion are folks in a trick state. Misinformation, miseducation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Tell them precisely, we'll never stop. As I said before, I keep going and going like that Energizer bunny. We go harder for what we want, and we never will now do nothing funny. The book is called Don't Cry, available on Amazon. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Some of people want to go and go support another remarkable Jamaican. And big respect to all poets, all entertainers, and all of the actors and actresses from Yard who they're on the positive part. And we have to big up them people especially. Because too much negative energy they're all about. And we not support nothing nasty, nothing negative. You get me? Because too much of that they already, so we have to just go and focus on the positive side of life. Right, that's my thing there. I'm in a business who want I say anything else other than that. You know, you love what you love, and at the end of the day, morning, I like what me like, or me love what me love. So you do you, and I do me, and don't try be upset if I'm not being like you or being like them. Because the only thing we can be is 100% authentically me, regardless of what people want to think. Because in a real life you have some people, them upset because you are not like them. I don't want to be like nobody else but be myself. And that's the only advice I can give to all of the youth them. Be yourself. Tell them precisely. Right this right there. You get what I'm saying? So as me say, I wish part this me there. Every day I walk up and down and I look like my last to Rastafari. Alright. No, I'm not last. I'm up on the right path. If you think I'm last, look what I want. Right, this are times, New York Times. You see it? New York Times. Alright, that's all. I wish part me a jump in. Thanks very much. Yeah. So me there. You know one place where if you reach pan my transport in the next 15 minutes. I'm there, so I walk up and down. So the journey continues, people. The next point me upon the journey. So I'm gonna name the video Poems on the Journey. New York. Alright, sick. I am sick. No jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one so holds me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If I never social media, you would have never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick with how my life now seems to sparkle. Sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks Daddy who want you to argue. I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods, fake medication. Sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confused with fake education. I'm as they have the great views, living among a sick generation. So, you want to see the bus reach. And the line long. So, me I go sign out, you know. I was hopefully me get to reach on this bus because me have an appointment for meet up. Blessings and respect, I go sign out, you know, because somebody double come here and talk one bag of thing I never know. I don't want too much of that I record and everything, you see me? Much love, respect.